Hey there, did you know about India's incredible linguistic diversity? It's mind-blowing. Over 19,500 languages and dialects are spoken across the country. But here's the kicker: Hindi is the most widely spoken language, followed by Bengali, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil, Urdu, and more. Now, let's move on to the main point. Today, I am excited to help you translate your website into Hindi, the most spoken language in India. Why is this important? Well, having a multilingual website can improve your SEO and website growth. It's not just about connecting with your audience, it can also make your website more visible and increase conversion rates. In this video, I'll guide you through the process. Stick around, and I'll demonstrate how simple it can be to make your website multilingual. Let's get started. So, I want to show you how easy it is to translate your website using the Linguise plugin. With this tool, you can translate your site into over 80 languages, including Hindi and some of the most spoken languages in India. First things first, you'll need to install Linguise on your WordPress. Not sure how to do that? Just click the link popping up in the upper left corner of your screen. It'll walk you through the entire installation process step by step. Once Linguise is installed, let's dive into the main process. You can add any language you want, like Hindi, Urdu, or Bengali, by accessing the Linguise plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Simply navigate to the plugin, add the new languages, and voila! Don't forget to save your settings. Once done, check your pages. Your plugin should have seamlessly translated all your content. Just switch the language on your page, and watch your content transform magically. Easy as pie. To expand your reach, you can do the opposite by translating Hindi pages into English or other widely spoken languages, enhancing your SEO and reaching global users. You can start by translating your content into at least 10 different languages and see remarkable results. As demonstrated earlier, the process is quite simple. Just select and add the languages you need, then save. It's that easy. Hey, one more thing, I will share with you a helpful tip for using Linguise. It's not just for automatic translations, you can customize by yourself. Go to the Linguise dashboard and use the Live Editor feature. This will bring you back to your page, but with an added tool. Now, you can directly edit translations on your page. Imagine your page is translated into Hindi, but certain phrases or specific words might confuse visitors. No problem. The Live Editor makes it easy. Just click on the section you want to modify, and a new window will open. You will see both your original content and its Hindi translation, ready to be edited. By improving your translations, you can enhance how your website is shown to your audience. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our Linguise channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day, bye.